So here we'll be going over the assignment 4. Um, let's go ahead with the first one. So as you can see, let's put step by step what happens is the parent forks child 1. Child 1 prints that it will become an orphan. Child 1 sleeps for 10 seconds to outlive the parent. Then parent forks child 2. Then child 2 prints that it's exiting with code 42. And child 2 immediately exits with code 42. Parent waits for child 2. Waits only for child 2. Parent prints the exit status. And parent exits. It does not wait for child 1, so child 1 becomes an orphan. And child 1 wakes up and prints its new parent PID and exits normally. Looking at it, let's give it a run. As you can see, runs child 1, child 2, waits, the child 2 exits normally, the parent gets it. Parent also, parent does not wait for the child and exits, and now uh, child 1 becomes an orphan. And going to the next question then. It demonstrates how signal handlers behave across fork and exec. Sig int control C handles resets to default in the child after exec. Sig TSTP control Z remains ignored in the child. So what happens step by step is the parent installs signal handlers SIGINT and SIGTISP. Parent forks to child. It executes another program called dot slash nothing, which I'll be showing after this. Behaviors in the chat. So sig int resets to default. So controls plus C kills the child normally. 6 TSTP remains ignored, so control Z does nothing. Then parent waits for child to finish. So parent prints parents finished waiting. And I'll show you the nothing file. As you can see, in the program, the second program, the child process executes a separate function called nothing.c using xlp function. The reason we use nothing.c is to demonstrate how signal handlers behave across exec. It's a controlled test program. Nothing.c is a very simple program that runs indefinitely and processes and prints a message. It does not install any custom signal handlers itself, so the signals inherited from the parent can be tested accurately. So then let's run it. Just give me a minute. Yeah, sorry. As it said, Control C ignores it and Control C. Caught by sig int and parent finished waiting. Going to the third question, just a minute. Yep. So step by step, what happens is parent sets a sig alarm handler prints ding with an exclamation mark. Parent forks a child, so child sleeps for a second in the seconds as given in the command line argument, how much ever we'd like. The child sends a sig alarm to parent using kill, get PPID, and sig alarm. Parent waits for signal, uses pause to block until a signal arrives. Upon receiving sig alarm, handler prints ding. Parent prints done and calls wait to clean up the child. So as seen, we can run this now. As you see, it waits 2 seconds, and it goes off as ding, and then the parent prints done and calls wait to clean up after the child. Going to the fourth question. So parent sets handler, so sigint control C prints caught signal 2, sigquit control plus prints caught signal 3. Program waits indefinitely, uses while 1, and pause to block until the signal is received. Um, so let's go at it. As you can see, control C. And then to exit, and it stops. Thank you, and this was assignment 4.